Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to KnitcroAddict channel. I want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video, and also thank you so much for watching my first behind the scene tutorial. So all of your nice support is totally gained my confidence. I appreciate it so much. So today I'm staying home. This is my outfit. Of course, this is a crochet top that I designed. If you haven't seen this tutorial, this top tutorial, I'm gonna put the link in the description below as well. So today I'm going to crochet like a leftover, it's not really leftover yarn, but someone gave this yarn to me. And I really wanna have a new rug, so I'm gonna make a rug. I think this is a knit collage. Pretty interesting yarn, and I'm gonna use a 8mm crochet hook. So yeah, I wanna share with you the process of making the rug. I'm just gonna make a long chains. Look at this yarn, it's very interesting. So I make it about 33 inches long. Then I'm gonna make a single crochet across. I try to keep this rug simple because I have a very interesting yarn. I think the yarn will do all the work. So I make a single crochet across. I'm gonna chain one and turn, and I'm gonna make a single crochet across. I'm gonna single crochet across every row, and I'm not sure how big I want it to be yet. I have to check as I go. And I think this one is also good for scrap yarn. You can put different kind of yarn and different colors, you know, mixed together. I think it's gonna be very interesting rug. And we'll see how many rows I'm gonna have for today. Yeah, can't wait to see it. Okay, I've been crochet about 2 hours, and I think I'm going to take a break. I'm not sure I'm gonna crochet anymore for today, maybe before bed, but yeah, we'll see. And I will see you tomorrow. Okay, I crochet a lot last night because I cannot sleep, and also today all day. And here's what I have. It's pretty big. It is about 22 inches in length. And I'm run out of yarn. I think I'm gonna unravel these stitches. And I also gonna add something to it because it's too plain. But I'm not sure what I'm gonna add to it though. Hi friends, this is the next day. And remember, I have a few stitches on the last row yesterday, and I said I'm gonna rip it out because I'm run out of yarn, right? And I just found this one more ball of yarn, so I decided just crochet that last row till the end, then I cut the yarn. First, I'm gonna keep going, but I think it's gonna be too big. I just stopped. So yeah, I have about 22 inches. And I also have this color. It's the same yarn. I think I'm gonna use this color to crochet a little detail because it's too plain, right? And we will see what it's going to be like. Maybe I'm gonna put you in that tripod so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay, I have 48 rows on my rug, and I'm gonna make slip stitch into every 2 rows. So I just gonna insert my hook into this first space, then I bring my new yarn, I hold it on the back like that, Then I yarn over hook from the back, okay? Then I pull up a loop like that. Then I insert my hook into the next stitch here. Then I yarn over hook on the back here, and then pull up a loop here, and then pull up a loop here. And I can now repeat into each stitch across the other side. Next stitch here, I insert, yarn over hook from the back, and then pull up a loop, and then pull through this loop. Next stitch here, I insert the hook, pull up a loop, and pull up the loop. What do you think? I think it's kind of cute. I have to keep going for a few more times to see that if I gonna like it. Okay, I make that slip stitch until the end, and I think I like it for now. So this is what this look like. And you can also play around with this slip stitch as well. I'll show you. I think I'm gonna cut the yarn here. I leave a little bit of tail, just enough to weaving the end later. Then I pull the yarn out. Then let me show you what can you make with this slip stitch. You can write the name or the heart or whatever you decide to do. Let's say I just gonna insert my hook right here just to show you. And then I bring my new yarn, I hold on the back, I yarn over hook, pull up a loop like that. I gonna make a heart. So I gonna insert my hook right at this stitch, toward that way, and then yarn over hook. I know you can't see that, but yeah, I yarn over hook on the back, and I pull up a loop here, pull up a loop here. Then maybe here. You just need to take your time. Yeah, right here maybe. Like that. Right here. Like that. Okay, maybe I'm gonna form the heart like this, so I might need to insert my hook right here. Like that. Then go toward this way. Look at that cute little heart. See? Beautiful. And you can write the name, the letter, whatever you want to do. Just get creative. This is the back. If you think it's not shaped right, what you can do is just unravel it and redo it again. Alright, I'm gonna take this out because I don't want a heart on my rug. I'm just gonna do a simple line every 2 rows, and we will see what it's gonna look like. Okay, I almost finished, but I'm run out of yarn. And here's what I have. I have a couple lines that I need to make a slip stitch, and this is what I have left. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna unravel this half of the row that I have here. Okay, then I have 2 lines, right? And I want the other side to be even, so I'm gonna unravel the first 2 lines that I made. Alright, I'm gonna unravel this first line first. It's a little difficult to unravel because it's a wool. It stick together. I think, I don't know, you can see, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take my time here. Alright. Okay, I take the first line out, and I'm gonna take the second line out as well. Okay. Sometimes I do things too fast. I have to tell myself, 1, slow down. Okay. Look at this. Okay. Then next, I just gonna weave all the ends here. And that's it for my rug. And I would like to know, what are you going to do different if you make this rug? As I talk to you right now, I was thinking maybe I can do like a wall hanger and use this slip stitch design to kind of like play with the line, you know, play with the design. I don't know, I think that would be interesting. Maybe I do it. And if you do it, I would like to see it again. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.